So we're back in the truck, which means we're at another drift event. Today is Import Alliance Fall Meet at Bowling Green. We're up here with Cody, Cam, Tiller, and we're ready to throw down. We just fixed the control arm in the last video, so hopefully my weld's hold up, we'll see. But while I got you here, before the video starts, make sure you hit that like button. It really helps me out, it really pushes my videos. And if you want to be notified, hit that bell as well. Also, if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. But regardless, let's jump into it. Let's get to drifting. Jared from the future here. I forgot to mention earlier today when we started this that this is my first time back at Bowling Green since I wrecked my very first car. I will put whatever clips I have here. Okay, pull it off. Try it again. It was not like a bad time, but it sucked. And it's part of the reason why I have changed shells so much. I've been wanting to do like my drift career video. Maybe I'll do that and y'all can kind of get the backstory of everything. But basically I gripped up, ran right into the wall. Sucks. So we'll see if that trips me up today. I already know what happened, but you'll have to watch the video to see. So now let's get to drifting. Cam, you really f***ed it up this time.
Are you really going to use the other ramps?
Well, I suppose I have to now, don't I, Cameron?
That's some bad timing.
Oh man.
Shit bang on the radio. Nowadays it's fucking hustling, gotta get it for the low. Every day gotta count your blessings, live your life, protect your soul. Cause hoes going, niggas pimping, that's the way it goes. Okay, check my wrist, only for the time. Wish that you could see what's on his mind. Step back, jump back, grind, put back bread 9 to 5. 40 hours all in a week, direct deposit robbed in my sleep. Oh, so God is the way, then put my soul all on these beats. Religious, life come down to decisions. Don't burn all your bridges. Life like 4th and inches at the one. You gon' fold it, you gon' get it done. Beast mode, shit, better run. You can lose out on a ring. Trauma turned into nightmares. You can lose sight of your dreams. Nigga, this a little inspiration. Nigga, keep blazing, making your statement known. Parents' basement, blowing that maintenance smell get strong. Gotta reach out to my favorite, my savior. Through prayer, help me right my wrongs. Gotta reach out to my favorite, my savior. Through prayer, help me right my wrongs. I used to wanna hear my shit bang on the radio. Nowadays it's fucking hustling, gotta get it for the low. Every day gotta count your blessings, live your life, protect your soul. Cause hoes come with niggas pimping, that's the way it goes.
There's got to be some kind of system to this.
What do y'all want? You want some?
Same.
Tell me when.
Same.
He said, "Tell me when."
Now on the chicken. All right. Dude,
Okay. How
Yep.
much do you want?
Just the same.
you like the guy at
All right.
what's
Chicken?
No.
what's that place? Olive Garden.
How much cheese do you want?
Stop. You can never
Wait.
stop.
Why you put it on there?
Anybody need hand salt? I got you. Salt. Hey, throw it in somebody's face. Throw it on the ground.
It's on the ground.
You know what? I don't want to waste it.
Just eat
And
it.
plus the grass won't grow back.
Well, look, it's
Here, there's a trash can. God bless. All right, guys, I got Mr. Hooman behind me. FC driver. today was awesome. We got some tandems with some pro guys, Johnny Cash and then Human. I'm sure all you local people know them. Hopefully the footage was good. They were following me and I'm sure you can hear their cars. I mean, they were on my door. So I'm really excited to look through this footage. I learned a lot today. I feel like I say about every drift event, I'm like really excited to look through the footage, but I mean, life is good. Everything's been good. This car has been performing great. So pretty excited. Looking forward to next weekend. With all that being said, like always, if you like this video, hit that subscribe button, hit that like, leave a comment down below. I'll see you next one.